Hey, David from Israel. My name is Jinhe. I will give you a brief introduction of our smart pizza vending machine. So, this is the first version of our smart pizza vending machine. It is researched and developed by Chinese experts mainly in charge and European engineers as assistants. So we have 10 sample machines in our factory right now, and they're under performance and functional testing. All parts of our machine has realized the local manipulation. So here is our payment system. As you can see, we have three methods: the coin, paper money, and also the Visa card. In the future, we will add the mobile payment system. It's very convenient. Okay, now let's make a pizza. First, let me insert a coin. So we have 4 flavors for you to choose. The first one is margarita. The second is pepperoni. The third is bacon. And the fourth is ham. Now, let's choose the second. After you choose the flavor, the machine will start making the pizza automatically. First, it will measure some flour and then add some water to mix it into the dough. And then the dough will be compressed into like a pizza base. Right now, it is mixing the flour and the water. It's now compressed it. Then the compressed pizza base will be delivered to the downside of the machine, backside of the machine, and the tomato sauce will be distributed on it. Then the pizza base with tomato sauce will be delivered from the dashboard of the machine, and also like you chose the flavor. And then the pizza base with the topping will be positioned in the oven. Let's wait a minute. As you can see, the pizza with the cheese has been positioned in our oven. This baking process will take like 90 seconds. So while you are waiting for the pizza to be ready, and you can watch some videos from here, like weather reports and also some advertisements. I have to mention that in our third version of the machine, the LED screen has been enlarged and has been moved to the middle part of the machine, and our buttons has been moved downward for customers' convenience. Now let's check the pizza. The whole process will take 3 minutes.